So, hello everybody, my name is Melih, Places Visitor, Turkey editor. Today I'm in the Istiklal Street, most famous place in Istanbul, most famous place in Turkey. And this place is amazing street, it's ideal for shopping, you can find endless stores, ideal for endless stores, ideal street. For desserts, for shopping and for other things. And today I will gonna show you one place where you can eat something, where you can eat dessert and where you can sit and spend time with your friends, with your family and alone. This place name is Esmer Café and Restaurant. You can find too much things in here. Right now I will gonna let you know about everything in Esmer Café. So everybody, right now I just wanna let you know when they're open, when they are closed, what they have, what they don't have, what's the favorite things in here, what's the good things in here, and what people think about for this cafe restaurant. Actually, this cafe and restaurant, especially they're making Italian foods. If you will gonna come there, if you will gonna check the website, you will gonna see also. They're kind of like Italian restaurants. They're opening morning 8 and they're closing like nighttime in 1:30. So everybody, I just wanna show you what they have in the menu, what's the popular things and famous things in the menu. Actually, especially I told you they're the Italian restaurant and they have so good fettuccine alfredo with chicken. You need to try that one. Also, they had so good meatballs. They're making like fries. Also, you can try chicken fettuccine and you can try some spaghetti, some spaghetti things in here. Also, they had some special Turkish food, mantı. If you will gonna come there, you can try that things in Esmer Café. So everybody, also I just wanna read about some comments, what people think about there, what people write about there. I just wanna let you know what people think about in here. The restaurant is amazing, great food, beautiful atmosphere and very friendly service. It's not a big expensive, but considering the prices in Istanbul, it's really normal. If you will gonna come there for one person, you will gonna spend like around 1,200 lira. Just you need to take care about it. And also other person is right like this, very tasty foods and very big portion. Had the best pizza, pasta in Istanbul and the workers are so nice. Price per person is around 1,000 lira, 1,200 lira. One more time. Oh, hello everybody, I just wanna read one or two more reviews because these things are important for this coffee. What you can eat, you can think about it. One person is right like we tried 2 pasta dishes. And I have to say one of the best pasta I have to try in my life. Very good foods overall, the fries are well seasoned and tasty. The staff very friendly and professional and cooperative along with the Istiklal Street vibe, overall must try experience. They're telling like this to you. So right now I just want to read one more review. It's also amazing review, that way I want to read it. This person started to write like wow, like this person is started to write with wow, and he say I visit this Esmer Cafe and try Esmer Burger. Esmer Burger is amazing. If you will gonna come here, you can eat your burger, and this is amazing burger I ever taste. This person is right like this. Right now I just wanna check about what they have, what they don't have, upstairs, down floor, what they have. I will gonna let you know everything about it. Everybody, right now I just wanna check to Google what they have, what they don't have, and when I check, I recognize they have also some breakfast in Istanbul, in that place, in that cafe. You can eat also breakfast. They don't have just lunch and dinner. If you wanna eat some breakfast, also they have some breakfast, and they have some alcohol, some cocktail things, some beers. If you will gonna drink, spend time with your friend, you can do this in that cafe and restaurant. Also, I'm checking other things. You can pay with your card, you can pay with your NFC mobile, and you can pay with your cash. Also, I just want to show you around what they have, what they don't have. Let's see together in our car.
Teşekkür ederim.